Hello everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to make a group chat on Messenger. So to do this, you just need to go to the Messenger app. Open the Messenger app, and as you can see on the top right of the screen, there is an icon and there is a pen or icon of a pen. You just need to click on it, and as you can see here, there is an option called Group Chat. You just need to click on it. After that, you will have a list of your friends. You just need to click on the name of the friends that you want to include in this group, and after that click on the create button on the top right also of the screen, and like that you will have the group chat that you need and you can use it to chat with your friends. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.